Most traffic stops end with a ticket and a drive away. This one ended with something the officer never saw coming when he hit his lights on July 24th, 2025.
It's gonna be a white Nissan Altima. Ma'am, get back in your car.
You pulled me over way
Get back in the car.
You pulled me over.
Get back in the car.
I was out.
Ma'am?
You did not pull me over. Red.
Get back in the car.
I'm staying right here. I'm staying right here. You
bring me
trying to
another
be
unit,
rude.
please. Get it back in the car.
I'm not being rude. Why are you telling me to
I'm
get back in the car?
telling you to get back in the car
You
'cause
did
you've
not
been pulled
pull me over.
Yes, I have.
How you pulled me over?
Get back in the car.
Tell me how you pulled me over first. Okay? You're not hurting me.
I'm gonna put you in handcuffs.
Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Because you're trying to be rude. See, now you're holding my hand so hard.
Ma'am,
Greg,
stop pulling away from me.
Come up here on 43rd. Come up here at Dollar Tree, because now you're trying to put me in handcuffs.
Not today, too.
Because he did not pull me over. You know you didn't pull me over. You know you didn't pull me over. You seen me drive. And now you're trying to roughen me up. You're trying to roughen me up because I'm not in the car. You is being nasty for no reason. It don't make, and I'm glad your camera can show. I pulled over here and I actually stopped. My car is stopped. You didn't even pull me over. I turned in this parking lot. Call your sergeant. Call your sergeant. Because now you're trying to make it seem like I'm defiant, and I'm not being defiant. I got out my car for a reason. I got license. I got license and everything. It's in my purse. You locking my hand up with my purse.
Okay.
I know what's wrong. And you did not pull me over the right way. 862.
I do not need 1018.
You did not pull me over the right way. Wait. Let me get my phone, please.
I will get
Can I grab it? Because you being rude to me for no reason. You being so rude. You being too rude.
Well,
and I don't got no weapons or nothing. I already know what's up. My tag is.
You're get back in the car like I told you.
But listen to me.
Stop.
Can you listen to me? Officer RN Lim. You pulled me. You didn't pull me over the right way. No, you didn't. I was waiting. I passed the hill.
Stop.
You doing being nasty.
Stop.
I'm a mental patient. I'm a mental patient, so it don't matter. Let me sit on the ground. Let me sit on the ground. I'm a mental patient. I'm a mental patient. You didn't pull me over the right way. You sitting here lying. You didn't pull me over at all. You wait till I came here and I stopped. My car was off and everything. Now you're trying to rush me up for no reason because you know you
Stop.
Stop what? Stop what? I'm sitting here talking to you. You ain't trying to hear me. You nasty. You being nasty, dog. I don't even give a you being so nasty. And you trying to hurt me. You trying to hurt me. You trying to hurt me, dog. This is so up.
I'm trying to stop you from resisting.
I'm not resisting. I'm not resisting at all. Listen, sir, I'm not resisting. You're hurting me. You is hurting me. Man, y'all is nasty. Y'all hurting me.
Relax.
Y'all hurting me.
Stop.
I'm relaxed.
It doesn't sound relaxed to me.
I am. I have anxiety. I'm a mental patient. I have anxiety. You said that you pulled me. I can't even breathe. You can get my purse. I don't have no drugs, no nothing on me.
And nobody said you had drugs on you.
You didn't even pull me over the right way.
I did pull you over.
No, you didn't. You actually had that other car. Man, I can't wait. I'm taking this to court because you sit here lying. I passed.
Ma'am, please stop moving.
Tell my sister, please.
Stop.
Y'all hurting me.
Stop resisting.
They hurting me.
You're going to the ground. Yeah.
I'm going to the ground. Look at this shit, dog. Look at this shit. I am relaxed.
Stop resisting.
I'm hurting. Call her. I need ambulance.
Stop resisting.
I'm not resisting. I'm not resisting, sir. Take my purse. I'll take it.
I'm trying. Please stop.
Please, I need the ambulance. I can't breathe. I can't breathe, sir.
Stop resisting.
I'm not resisting. Take the purse. I'm hurting. I'm hurting.
I got that.
I'm hurting. Oh my God. I'm hurting.
Stop.
Mom, I'm hurting. You hurting me for no reason. You being rude to me for no reason. I'm not going anywhere. Oh my God, I'm being done so wrong, dog. I'm being done so wrong. I didn't do anything. You being rude to me for no reason. You just choked me up and just threw me out and put me on the floor, all of that. My idea.
You're good. I was going to 12 was where it was on the map, and I was like, oh crap.
I told him to update it to Dollar Tree.
No, I heard Dollar Tree. She's not said thank you.
That is 5-1.
Lord.
Sir, I need to be rude, sir, but Can you turn the AC on, please?
I'll turn it on full blast for you. It's as high as it goes.
All my information. My name is Tanisha. Only thing I'm upset is because, sir, you didn't stop me correctly.
Okay, I did stop you correctly. We can stop that right now because I know how to pull cars over. I pulled you over by the book, and
Okay,
that's
I just bought that car from the auction,
Okay.
and that tag is expired. So that's why I was kind of scared. The tag is expired. So I was very scared.
okay.
And I know I'm going to get another ticket for that. So I'm not being rude or anything, but
I wasn't going to give you a ticket for anything.
Huh?
I wasn't going to give you a ticket for anything.
Well, I mean,
I was going to give you a warning for speeding, and you decided to act all.
no, because sir, I was scared, and I know that is wrong.
A little bit.
Oh, that's the only reason.
Hey, just pull your car up. Just pull your car back a bit, and I'll get out of the way.
I'm about to have a heart attack.
Okay.
Oh my God, I'm sweating so bad. Can you please?
I just turned up the AC as much as it'll go, ma'am.
I can't believe you treated me like this. I promise I am legit. I don't do any wrongdoing. I was just scared because I know that tag is expired. That's the only thing.
Okay.
And I was trying to talk to you calmly. I can't believe I was done like this. I've never been.
What's your name?
My name is Tanisha. And that's me.
Okay.
That is me. My driver's license is in my car. I could have given you everything.
Yeah, but you decided not to. You
No,
decided to jump out of the car.
I got out the car because I was going to get ready to go in the store, and you told me to get back in the car.
Right.
And I was just frustrated. I was kind of confused because I didn't.
There was no confusion, ma'am. I told you exactly what to do. That's not confusing at all.
So am I arrested?
Right now, you are detained.
I'm going to sign my daughter up for school right now. Oh my goodness. I apologize for everything I did, but sir, like you're being truthful.
I'm just.
I passed the light. I passed the light, and then you couldn't.
Just search her, make sure she doesn't have anything on there, if you don't mind.
Is there any way I can wipe my
I
face?
gotta go ahead, step out real quick.
Yeah, my shoe. I don't know what my shoe is. My feet is
That's why we
bleeding.
did it. But go ahead, turn around for me. Widen your stance.
Yeah,
Do you
I
have
don't have
anything on you?
No, I don't have
Okay.
anything on me. I don't know. That's why I don't understand why he's treating me like a criminal. I'm not a bad person. I don't have no drugs on me. Anything. I don't do drugs. You can look at my
Just
purse.
stay how you are. Just stay how you are. Widen your stance.
Yes, I can't believe. Oh my goodness! Y'all treat me like a criminal. I don't have no drugs on me. I don't have no
I
reason
have
to
to do
run.
it anyways. Okay, this is not. I don't.
But you know what? I'm so sick of living in America.
Okay,
This is
go.
weird.
Stay how you are.
I have no drugs on me, ma'am.
As long as
I
you're.
can lift my whole bra up.
I do not.
Look, no drugs.
Do not do that. Okay.
Because
it has to be done.
ma'am, I
anyways.
understand your job, but I am very frustrated. I'm a woman.
Listen, I don't.
I didn't do
at
shit.
this point, I don't. I gotta do this. I don't care if you're a woman, man. I don't care. I gotta do it anyways.
It don't make no sense. They threw me on the ground and everything. I want all y'all badge numbers. Can I get my shoe, please? I can't believe they did me like this for no reason.
On camera, I wanted to say what you just said.
Yes, sir, Dr. Lamb. Could you please give, I'm sorry, Officer Lamb. Could you please give him all my belongings except for my phone? Yes,
Okay, I'm
because
gonna take the phone out of here, and he's gonna get all your stuff.
Greg, I'm going to jail for resisting arrest. So I'll call you when I get down there. You gotta use that pink and white card, the BMO card.
This is the gentleman you want to have all your stuff. You
Yeah.
take the car keys, everything.
Yes,
Okay.
he knows. And Greg, go call the phone and stuff.
Okay.
All right. And she just wanted that in the car. Not.
This young lady was charged with resisting an officer without violence. Would have been easier just to follow directions and she would have went home. See ya in the next one.